Y'all, it's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and I'm coming back with another wig review, and this is my birthday wig review that I am doing today. As you can see, it is like a teal turquoise color, and it is my favorite color of all time, and then pink is a cool second. So I wanted to give a review on this wig because I got it from the same one as my last one. That came from Sam's Beauty. I'm sorry that I had to mess up, but it's not Sally's Beauty, it's samsbeauty.com. So y'all, the wig we will be reviewing today is the one that I have on right now, and this is from Bobbi Boss. It did come from samsbeauty.com. It is one of the 3 wigs that I got when I initially went shopping. I already did a review on the first one. This is the second one, and it is a teal turquoise color. I wore it for my birthday, and I am still wearing it right now. It's only a couple of days after my birthday. And it's just a very beautiful wig. It's different. It's something that you can't really find in a hair store. Like I said, it is a premium synthetic wig. It is the brand Bobbi Boss. And the model is a MLF339 Evonie. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is the model, and it is in AQUA, which can go as my favorite color as well, just like ocean blue. It did say that it is premium high heat fiber, safe heat styling. I did not heat this wig as of yet. I probably will, and I won't be giving a review for the first wig that I did because I just feel like it's not really going to make a difference. I did not see anything that says that you can heat it on that one. And if you did watch that review, then you know that I'm kind of iffy with those type of things. If it doesn't say that you can heat it, then I probably won't heat it. This one says, however, that you can heat it. It doesn't say the degree, but it did say that you can heat it on high heat. So I probably will try that. It is a lace front Swiss lace wig. The only thing that is lace, it is lace from ear to ear, but the thing that you see is like the part right here, and it comes pretty deep. As you can see, it is not glued down to my head, and yeah, right here it kind of shows you how deep the part can get. And then that is the heating instructions. Now, as far as the wig, the back is pretty informational. It does say that Bobbi Boss lace front wigs give you the most natural hairline with an ear-to-ear lace finish. It does say each hair strand on the lace is individually hand knotted, allowing the look and movement of the hair in a wide spectrum of dazzling colors and elegant styles. So this is the back of the packaging. This is how it looks. If I can, I will also put how it looks on my head specifically. I did take some pictures the day before my birthday, and then also of course on my birthday. The lace wig look exactly how it does online at samsbeauty.com, and also how it looks on the packaging. This is the front. Very beautiful lady. I think it's the same girl from the same from the last lace wig review that I just did from Sam's Beauty. I think this is the same girl. Like, doesn't that look like the same girl? Like, very pretty, but yeah, this is like how it looks, and then this is how it looks on me. So it is very identical to, I guess you can say, to the model on the website. It doesn't give too much hair type of information, but it does say that the available colors is 1B, 2, 4 AQUA, H56-451 mustard colored, TS1B / PD blue, TS2 613, TS2 BLSGRY, for some reason I think that's burgundy or something, TS4 APRICO, TS6 1010, TT1B 350RD. Those are all of the colors that it comes in for this particular style. It is a finger wave type of lace wig, short hair, so it's not long, and it does come naturally with a part, but I of course added some foundation to it to make it look more realistic. I will be adding also the pictures on the back of the wig, and then also the pictures how I just turned up for my birthday, and I'm so in love with this wig. It really did me justice. I'm so proud that I got this, and I'm so happy that I got this. So yeah, this is the wig that I got. It was about $27 online. I did get 3 at a time. If you watch my other wig review, you'll know that I had got 3 wigs at a time at samsbeauty.com, and I paid about $27 for each wig. So the third wig I will also be giving a review once I wear it for like a week. But this is my birthday wig, y'all, and I am so happy, and I just wanted to give like a quick review. I'm so proud of this wig. I got a lot of bomb looks. I'm still getting a lot of bomb looks, as y'all can see. And I also used some mousse to help define the finger wave of the hair. I will show you how it looked on the first day. Didn't really do it since then, but I do have this mousse here, and this is from L'Oreal. It is called New Look Boosted Volume Injet Mousse 24-hour body volume hold. This is how it looks. It's like a purple lavender type of can in black, and then it also have like different instructions in the back. But this smells so good, y'all. It smells so good that I want to even put it on just like regular wigs or just like my regular hair. That's how good it smells. So it also worked with the finger waves. It helped me define the look a little bit more, so it can look more flat and not like wiggy, I guess you can say. And this is what I use along with some gel to just like gel down, like of course my orange and white Eco Styling Gel. If you see my summer must have thing, you know that I use that gel on like a regular basis. So I use some of that gel to like lay down the edges a little bit, help me with the mousse a little bit. But other than that, all I used was the gel and then this mousse as well. But yeah, y'all, I got my whole look in attitude. I always have attitude year round, but I got my whole look from my birthday with this wig, and I just have a lot of outfits to slay with that hopefully I can add in the video so you guys can see. This dress is from Fashion Nova, and as you guys know that I will be giving a Fashion Nova haul, and I will also show the full dress on that haul in that video. I always just shop at Fashion Nova, and I always do a haul for it, so you guys will be seeing it soon. I've been just giving looks with this type of hairdo, and you guys hopefully can see it on the side. And I just wanted to give like a quick review, so thank y'all so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chenelle Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with your friends, your family, and your boo thing. And I will see y'all in the next video.